Hello world, Becca here from Inside the Square, coming to you with a quick CSS tutorial for today. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fixed header and how to add a drop shadow to it using CSS. So right now, as you can see, when we scroll through this page, we lose this little top banner. This is our header right here. We want that to stay in the same place while someone is scrolling through content on our website, and we want it to stand out a little bit, so we'll add a drop shadow. So a quick refresher, how to get to your CSS section of your website. It's cascading style sheet in case you were curious. Start with your main menu here and select Design, and then scroll down to Custom CSS. Clicking there, this allows you to add custom CSS to your site. I'll include this code in the notes section of this YouTube page and also on my website at insidethesquare.co/CSS. But this is the code for creating a fixed header. I'll add that and select Save. And now as you can see, as we scroll down, the header stays at the top of the page. Pretty sweet, right? But it doesn't stand out very much, so I want to add a drop shadow to it as well. I have a second snippet that I can append here. I'll paste this code and select Save. And now you can see that sweet drop shadow really helps my header stand out from the rest of my website. So again, that's in your custom CSS. I'll go back to the main menu here. To get there, you select Design, Custom CSS, and paste the code that's below this video. That's it for today's tutorial. Have fun customizing your Squarespace site. If you liked this tutorial, you'll love my CSS cheat sheet. Copy and paste your way to a cooler website. Download it now at insidethesquare.co/CSS.